Hey guys, it's Tanzania coming at you with another video. Thank you for choosing to watch my video. In this video, I made a wig for one of my siblings. She loves it. Continue to watch me create it. The hair is human hair. And yeah, remember, if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you, but only if you type done under my video. This is a wig that I've been making. I'm making it for one of my siblings. They wanted a nice wig, so it is 22 inches long. Yeah, all the way down there. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like a wavy body wave texture, and I'm about to add the closure onto it right here. And guys, this my sister's head is bigger than mine. Yeah, so my head is pretty small and I don't have that much hair, so my mannequin head, you see right here, I had to make her a little bit bigger. And if you see this yellow part underneath, that's actually plastic bags that I push underneath the cap to make it bigger. So when I get done, I could just take these little plastic bags out of there and just pull it apart. And I did sew onto some of the plastic bags, but since it's plastic, it'll be easy to pull out. Okay? So that's just a tip. If you have a cap, or you want to make the cap bigger, put some plastic bags, crumble them, crumble them up, and push it inside the cap while the cap is on the mannequin. And guys, I got this mannequin for like $9 at my local beauty supply. I've been painting it and everything, put a little fuzzy necklace on it, did her lipstick. I know it's terrible, but don't say nothing about it. But yeah, I'm gonna do it again. And guys, excuse my table. I use this table to like do paint and stuff. I always get stuff messed up. I put stuff over it, like a blanket or whatever, well, a towel or whatever, but it still seems to seep through, so please don't mind that. Okay? And guys, this hair is a mixture of different hairs that I've had. And guys, this is hair I bought. And I told her I would make her a wig, but this hair is chocolate hair. I got it from my local beauty supply. All of this hair is human hair. It's a mixture. Some of it I got from my beauty supply. I live in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, so the beauty store I went to was called it's called New Beauty World. And I went there and I got these bundles right here. They have really good deals on bundles, and it's straight from a factory. So they don't sell it online. They only sell it in their store. And guys, I'm not promoting. I'm not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. But I'm just telling you guys that they have some really nice hair. And this hair right here I got from the bottom, the 22 inch. I actually got from Ego Beauty Supply. And it was like $32 for a 22 inch. Now the hair is not the best quality. It's good quality. The hair I got from Ego Beauty. But it was discounted hair, so it's been there a while. So it did shed, and I used fray check on it so the wax wouldn't shed as much. But yeah, most hair sheds anyway, so. Yep. This is Samantha. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is what the closure looks like. I got this from another beauty supply store. I go to all beauty supply stores in my city, and yeah, like this one's pretty nice. It's got a lace parting, and they say you can put it in 3 places, like you can shift it. It says 3-place parting, but I thought it I got tricked because I thought it meant there was 3 parts in it. But really, there's just one, and then the rest is like tracks sewn onto each other. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Like, yeah, there's the track. But I'm thinking there's 3 little, pieces like this. The lace is like 3 pieces. Like, those lace closures that have only 3 parts. I thought it was like that. So, but it only cost $20 at my local beauty supply. And I remember the store is called Beauty Touch. I got it from there. And for $20, it's not bad. This is the middle part, and it does come with a little flap of fabric on top of it. But I tried to like tint it. It didn't work. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it the way it is. I might try and bleach the knots. Maybe the hair, I don't know. My sister is a little bit darker than this, but I might make it so that yeah. Let's see if it'll come off. Yeah, I'm gonna try and take the plastic bags out. You see Dollar General, Food Line, different places. And see how easy it is to like just take it out. You have to be a little careful because you don't want the threads to rip. But yeah, it's not that bad. I rather use plastic than cotton. Well, you can use cotton balls too. But you notice that it has duct tape all over it. And I use colored duct tape because I also use my mannequin head to display some of the wigs I create for people. And yeah. And guys, I'm not a cosmetologist. I just love doing hair. But I'm actually thinking about going to cosmetology school. I really am. This is what it looks like so far. I hope she likes it. Yeah, I think she will. It's free hair. She better like it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I might have to add a couple more tracks to it. Put it back on there. I think this will work. I really do. I think this will work. Let's see. So yeah, guys, I'm going to take this closure and see if I can put it on here. Right here. It should work. I hope it does. I hope it turns out okay. Because it's hard to make a wig for somebody with a bigger head. Well, the reason her head is bigger is because if you see my hair is short. So if I make a wig, it just fits on my head. See if it is too snug or anything. So I'm going to put a cap on. So don't be saying I'm nasty or anything, because I'm not. That's my sibling, so we can get away with this. If this was a regular customer's wig, I would not try it. I would let them try it on. Or a client. So this is what I'm doing. I put the closure on. Might have to put some, and I cut open the part. Well, I didn't cut open the part, but I took some of the cap off. Y'all can see that. Yeah. Let's see. And there's not much hair on the sides, so it is what it is. It's a lot of hair though, which is good. My sister's a big girl, so this shouldn't be too bad. Might have to do this side over. And guys, I'm looking at a mirror, so don't mind me. So I am actually going to style this. I have some mousse. And this is Cream of Nature mousse. I'm going to put some of that on there. You just rub it throughout the hair. This stuff smells really good. Very sensual, sexy kind of smell. I love Cream of Nature products. Well, the argan oil products. Yeah, that's all I like. And this helps give it a good smell. Not that the hair stinks or anything, but because this hair has been washed. But that's what I'm doing. And I might have to do some layers when I see her do some layers for the wig. And this ain't bad. What y'all think? And I also use this volumizing mousse. I got this from my local Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. And guys, this stuff really works to enhance curls. It can enhance curls and bring waves into your hair. Sorry for the noise. That don't sound right. Sound like somebody taking a puppy. Not the number 1, but the number 2. All right. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is what it's looking like. There will be pictures. Hopefully I can get a picture of my sister trying this on.